Ballet Battements in the positions of the body. Position. Count 1, point tendu, the right foot devant, arms to fifth en avant. Counts 2 to 3, slowly open the arms to second, holding the leg in point tendu devant. The position is à la première devant. Counts 4, close in fifth devant, close arms in fifth en bas. Counts 5 to 8, repeat with right leg to point tendu to second position, close fifth derrière, arms as above. The position is à la seconde. Counts 1 to 8, repeat all to the other side. Note, the head remains erect through the arms opening slowly to second as the first port of breath. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty, Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.